I'm going to show you how I made my refrigerator. This is a DIY conditioning refrigeration space. You can see it here. So this is where you can place your product, the product that you want to cool. So here is the space. Inside you can see Peltier. This is the Peltier, and this one here is the HT22 temperature humidity sensor. Then this is the lid for the refrigeration space, and you can see my Peltier, how it's attached. Yeah. So this is the Peltier. It uses 12 volts and at least 5 amperes of power. And then this is the control circuit. I have the ESP. This is ESP32. Then we have the relay. This is RTC DS3231. It will help us track time. This is the SD card module. Yeah, so I incorporated it in the circuit because I'm also interested with the data. Then here is the display. This display displays the temperature and humidity readings in real time. This button, I use it to set the temperature at the required set point. So it is at this set point that we achieve the cooling. This is the power switch. I use it to turn on or off the refrigerator. Then this is the power supply. You can see it. Yeah, so I'm using 12 volts, 5 amperes. Having said that, let's do our experiment and see what we can achieve. In this case, I'll use tomatoes. And from publications, it is said that tomato is well preserved at a temperature between 7 and 10 degrees. I'll place my tomato inside the refrigeration space and put the set point at 8 degrees and see how long it will take to achieve the cooling. Here are the tomatoes, so I'll place them inside. As you can see, I have 2 tomatoes and the space is sufficient for more and more tomatoes. But currently, let's put the 2 tomatoes inside and try achieve the cooling. So after placing, we close the door. Yeah, to make it tight, let's turn on the switch. After turning the switch, yeah, you can see the current temperature is 21.9 degrees Celsius. Time is 7:02 a.m. So 7:02 a.m. That's when we started. Then let's put the set point I'll press the button. So let's take a look at this. 8. So set point at 8 degrees. Yeah, okay. Now let's wait and see for how long it will take to achieve the 8 degrees set point. We are almost reaching the set point. Our set point was 8 degrees Celsius. Right now we are at 8.10 degrees Celsius. When we reaches the set point, the relay is supposed to click and the red LED on the control board is supposed to be off. So let's wait and see at what time. Currently we are at 7:49 a.m. Yeah, so we've reached the set point, and as you have seen, the relay has clicked and the red LED went off. Set point, we reached it at 7:49. 7:49 minus 2 minutes, 47 minutes. We've taken 47 minutes to drop the temperature from 21 degrees to 8 degrees. In this case, our refrigeration system will try maintain the temperature at 8 degrees. It has not stabilized yet. Once it's stable, then it will be maintained at 8 degrees. So it will be playing between 8 degrees and 8.10 degrees Celsius as it turns on and off the relay.